She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara and I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna be going like an everyday day and night makeup tutorial. So right now I am color correcting with my e.l.f. orange concealer. All the products I'm going to be using today, I'm going to list everything down in the description box because I currently do not have any of my products next to me right now. But right now I'm going to go in with my Juvias Place. I think this is like the Velvety matte foundation, and I'm going to blend it in with my Real Technique brush. I think this is like the foundation brush. And normally when I do my makeup, I normally do like my eyes, then I'll do my foundation and stuff. But today I decided to do something different because I wasn't doing like a whole lot with my eyes. Like I wasn't doing any glitter or any cut crease or anything like that. So I decided to do my foundation first. Now I'm going in with my Juvias Place concealer, and I'm going to place that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, under my nose, the top of my lip, my forehead. I'm just going to put it everywhere, basically. And then I'm going to blend it out with my damp beauty blender until I'm satisfied and think that everything is nicely blended. And once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to be using my benign powder, and I'm going to set first, and then I'm going to go in and bake because I have an oily T-zone, and I just want to make sure that I stay dry throughout the whole day and I don't be looking all greasy. So now I'm going to be contouring and bronzing with the MAC Studio. I think it's just the powder foundation, and it's in the color NC46. And I'm also going to contour my nose with it. So today I'm going to be using this Colorpop. I think this is like I don't know what eyeshadow palette this is, but like I said, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box. I don't have anything with me right now, but I'm showing you every color that I use. It's more of like a pinky tone. It's really flirty and pretty, so I'm just showing you like each color that I use before I use it. And I'm just going to be doing like a really simple eye look. I'm not really going to like any details because it's kind of like simple. You can see what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything difficult. So if you guys want something like more in detail, then just let me know. I'm just putting everything in my crease right now, and then right now I'm going to be using like this dark plum color on the outer part of my eyes, and then I'm going to be going with that rose gold shade, and I'm going to be putting it, just slapping it on my lid. Like this is pretty much all I did for this eyeshadow look. It was something so simple. And then I'm going to take that same plum color that I used on the outer corner, and I'm going to put that under my eye on my waterline. Right now I'm going in with a wing liner using the Inglots eyeliner, and this stuff is really good. It does not come off, and I highly recommend it. And I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera. It's in my lash line, and I think it's in the style Beyonce. Right now I'm dusting off any powder that's on my face, and I'm going to be putting some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And now I'm going to be using the MorpheXBretmanrock highlighter palette. This is a really good highlighter palette to have if you do different people makeup because they have all kind of shades in there. And shortly I'm about to go in with the lightest color in the palette, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner. My lip combo today is going to be this brown lip liner from NYX, and I think I'm going to be using this nude liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then to top that I'm going to go in with my Fenty. I think it's like the lip balm, or oh lord, I don't even know what it's called, but y'all can see by the applicator which one it is. But like I said, everything will be in the description box. I'm gonna go back and fix my eyebrows, 'cause sometimes I be losing color with all the powder that I'm putting on my face. And that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. Like I said, everything is gonna be listed, so don't be asking me questions, because it's gonna be in the description box. But this is going to be the final look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this pretty look. It took me like less than 30 minutes for me to achieve this look. So if you want like a quick everyday look, this is it. And I promise I won't be off YouTube no more like for this long, because I was gone for almost 2 months. But if you guys like this video, just give this video a big thumbs up, share, like, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.